Hi students, today we shall be discussing some more kinds of noun and they are countable noun, uncountable noun, concrete noun and abstract noun. So let's start our lecture with countable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. These can be singular or plural. In our daily life, we see so many things like mobile phones, laptop, teachers, boys, chairs. These all are the examples of countable nouns because we can count them. Here we have the examples of countable nouns in singular form and plural as well. So first we have a pen and the plural can be pens. A book, books. A shop, shops. So these all are the examples of countable noun and these can easily be counted. Next we have uncountable noun. Now, uncountable word itself shows something which cannot be counted. So let's read out the definition. The definition says anything that cannot be counted is called uncountable noun. So it's easy, right? It is also called mass noun, which refers to liquids and substances. Now, anything which cannot be counted, which we cannot count in our daily life, so those all nouns will be uncountable nouns. Here we have some examples like water, rain, juice, honesty, and air. Now we have to focus on these two words and they are liquids and substances. These two words have simplified the definition of uncountable nouns. It is easy to understand. Now all the liquids, we have so many liquids like water, juice, milk and some other things as well. But when we talk about substance, substance means material. Now what material it can be? It can be like gold, it can be coal, it can be sand, it can be sugar. Now these all are materials or these all are substances. So liquids and substances cannot be counted. So these are the best examples of uncountable noun. Next thing, for suppose if we write here, I need a cup of tea. This is sentence number 1. In this sentence, we have two nouns, a cup and a tea. One is countable and one is uncountable. Now, a cup is a singular thing, so we can count cups. So this can be what? This can be countable noun. Whereas tea is a form of liquid. So tea will be what? Uncountable noun. Let's write second example. We can say there is some water in a glass. Again, here we have two examples. Number 1 is water and a glass. One is the example of countable noun and one is the example of uncountable noun. Now water again is the form of liquid, so this cannot be counted. So this will be the example of uncountable noun. Again, the glass can be counted, so this is what? A countable noun. If your concept is clear about countable and uncountable noun, so you can easily identify them in the sentences. Next kind we have concrete noun. Now concrete means something physical, something tangible. Now tangible and physical means the same, which we can see. Now let's read out the definition and let's understand the topic. A concrete noun is a noun that can be identified through one of the 5 senses: sense of taste, sense of touch, sense of sight, sense of hearing, or sense of smell. Now look at the examples. Dog, can we see the dog? Yes, we can. Flower, can we touch the flower? Yes, we can. In the same way, money, people, milk, all of them are the examples of concrete noun. So we can see these things, we can touch these things, we can feel these things, right? So all those things which we can touch, which we can taste, which we can see easily, So those all are the examples of concrete nouns. Last kind is abstract nouns. Abstract means we can say something that is not present physically. Okay, now let's read out the definition and let's understand the topic. Abstract nouns are opposite to concrete nouns. We just read about concrete nouns. These are those nouns which we can see, which we can touch. It means the definition says abstract nouns are opposite to that. It means we cannot see or touch them. Those nouns which we cannot see, hear, touch, taste, or smell are called abstract nouns. Okay, so those things which we cannot see, which we cannot touch, just simply we just feel them. Okay, all those things, all those nouns which we can just feel are the examples of abstract noun. Look at the examples of honesty. Now, honesty is what? This is a quality. When we do not cheat anyone, we are honest. So, being honest is a quality. So, that is called honesty. Now, honesty cannot be seen. Honesty cannot be touched. So, this is the example of abstract noun. Next, we have patriotism. Now, patriotism is what? It is love for your country. Now, love for the country cannot be seen. This is just the feeling. So this is again the example of abstract noun. In the same way, when we are brave, we feel pain, the friendship, we all can feel these things, but we can never see them, we can never touch them. So these all are the examples of abstract noun. So abstract noun is an idea, a concept, or a quality which we can feel just. Okay, so this was all about countable noun, uncountable noun, concrete noun, and abstract noun. Hope you got the point. Thank you for listening.